friends, welcome to Rose's Time. In a lush forest, a colorful parrot named Paprika and the wise old tortoise named Terra became unlikely friends. One day, a young rabbit named Rosie approached them frantically, searching for a solution to a problem. Hullabaloo was in danger of being destroyed by a strong storm. Paprika and Terra worked together to build a new, safer home. Paprika flew over the forest, gathering materials, while Terra used her knowledge of the land to guide the construction of a new, safer burrow. Thanks to their combined efforts, Rosie's new burrow was ready just in time. The storm passed and the forest creatures celebrated their victory. Paprika, Terra, and Rosie celebrated their newfound friendship. Moral of the story: teamwork and determination can overcome even the toughest challenges. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.